trigonometry. Sin 45 plus a cos 45 minus a cos 45 plus a cos 135 minus a cos 90 plus 45 minus a sin 45 plus a cos 45 minus a minus cos 45 plus a sin 45 minus a sin 45 plus a minus 45 minus a sin 45 plus a minus 45 plus a sin 2 is answers proved. Next class, please. Was this subscribe me all of your progressive minus realizing being was this realizes please subscribe me. Please subscribe me all of your progressive minus realizing being. Thank you very much. Please subscribe. Was this realizes I must be grateful to you. Please subscribe me. Please subscribe me.